Do you have to update the kitchen to sell your home? Do you need to renovate the master bathroom? Well, if you're wondering if you have to update your home in order to sell it, then this video, it's for you. I will be sharing 3 options you have when selling your home. And if you have additional questions to getting your home ready to sell, please post them in the comments below and I'd be happy to answer them. All right, so essentially there are 3 options on getting your home ready to sell that will affect the price. And I want to cover these 3 options, with the last one sharing with you some of the tips if you want to maximize the return on your investment. The first option you have is if your home needs a lot of repairs, or maybe you just don't want to deal with the hassle of putting it up on the market, you can sell your home off the market without any repairs to a private investor. Or you could also sell to a company like Opendoor without lifting a finger. Now, while it may be a quick and easy sale, you do want to ask yourself, is it worth it? And for some people, it really is. Now listen, it's no secret that an investor is out to make a profit, and so is Opendoor and other companies like that. So even if they claim that you're gonna get fair market, you can be sure that you will net at least $10,000 more if at the very minimum you list with a real estate agent in the MLS, and that's even paying a realtor full commission. By the way, in the fine print of Opendoor, they do charge a service fee of like 6 to 13%. Plus they nickel and dime you for every repair that shows up on the inspection report, versus when you list in the MLS, we'll typically negotiate just a few repairs. Now, however, if you are just overwhelmed with life and you just want to see if it's worth it to you, because again, for some people it's worth it, just message me, let me run a report and get the true comps for your home so that you can make an educated decision, all right? The second option you have is you can sell with very minimal updates on the MLS. Now, if you don't want all the hassle of updating your home, you can still get a great price for your home. And this is why. So I have many sellers who, what they do is they just give the home a really good deep clean and they declutter it. They may put boxes in the garage. And then what we do is we come in, we stage it, we get professional photos, we make a video, we emotionally appeal to as many buyers as possible. And I tell you what, it's amazing the offers that come in without hardly any updates to the home. All right, so, but those things are key, staging pro photos and all those things, because typically we'll stage with trendy items, which kind of gives the illusion that the home is updated when it's really not. Also, just a side note, our team does pay for staging and photos on our part, so you don't even have to come out of pocket with it. So what if you want to maximize the return on your investment? Do you need to update? Well guys, here's this third option that you have. If you want to net the highest possible price, you may want to take a look to see if you need to do the upgrades or not. Now, in order to determine this, what we have to do is we have to take a look at the current homes that are on the market, the active listings, because that's the competition. And then we also want to take a look at the homes in your neighborhood that have sold in the last 6 months. Now, to do this, we literally go through every single picture and we just want to say, hey, do most of the homes in the neighborhood have granite? Whether they do or do not, we want to go, what's the difference in price that they're getting for granite or quartz or wood floors? So in order to answer this question, if you need to update, you really have to take a look at the pictures and the price differentials between if they've updated them and if they haven't. And many times, guys, especially in these older neighborhoods, if you put in a nice granite or new quartz, in some basic wood floors, like if it's a lower priced, I say lower priced, under $400,000 home, you can probably get away with putting in some wood-like floors and still getting $10,000, $20,000, or $30,000 more for your home, depending on the neighborhood, of course, okay? So To answer that, you really have to take a look at the pictures, but just go through Zillow or whatever and compare your home to the others and see if you can get a high enough return on your investment to make it worth the hassle. Like, is it worth it to scrape the popcorn ceilings? Most times it's not, guys. But is it worth putting in maybe, I know this sounds terrible, vinyl plank? Absolutely. You can spend, you know, $800 and multiply the return on your investment with wood-like floors. Now again, if you are in a home of $400,000 or more, I don't recommend vinyl plank because the buyers will have an expectation of real hardwood floors and they're looking for a good quality, all right? And to sum things up, you do not necessarily have to update your home to get a great price, and you do want to compare your home to others before going through all the hassle of updating to see if it's worth it. Do contact your experienced real estate agent before deciding to do updates. They really can help you out. If you need a referral for that in another city, reach out to me. I can get you a great contact in your city. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment below. I hope you guys have a great day.